What? Who never brought my goddamn vacuum? Man, this thing looks like it's been through hell and back. Hell. What the? I think the wire broke. Oh, you think so? I think. Man, I would just say plugging that fucking thing in. Yeah! Try and get a little bit of work. Where's the plug? I'm backing up from this thing. Bastard. That's not helping it. Oh, fuck! Should I motherfucking plug in? Where's that noise? I don't know. You son of a bitch. Is that the problem? You're the problem. Oh, I'm seeing smoke over here. I ain't kidding around. Let's look behind this desk. I hear smoke. I see smoke. You see it? Some smoking over here. Unplug that goddamn power bar. Should have the power grid on fucking Ghostbusters. Oh, goddamn hot dude! Is everything gonna bring around here today? Goddamn computer. Now. Yeah, fuck. Ah, goddamn! What happened? Give me the goddamn head! Are you alright? You goddamn motherfucker! Dad, relax, okay? Here! Go back in the yard! Here's your goddamn little brother! What's all this shit? Go back in the goddamn porch, you motherfucker! Fuck! Where you going? To buy a goddamn vacuum cleaner and a goddamn power bar! Money, money, money! Oh, yo, God, I think you rigged that motherfucker. I think you did it. If I prove you fucking did it, fat boy. Get out of here! Hurt my foot.